And British, we stayed for 4 years. The left where the country gone back. Big part of the country was turned to Ghana. The second part to Benin.
Constructed between 1898 and 1905 during the German colonial period, it initially served as the residence for German and later French governors. Following Togo's independence in 1960, the palace became the seat of the Togolese presidency until 1970. After years of abandonment, the building underwent significant restoration and was reopened to the public in 2019 as a center for art and culture. It was used as the seat of the Togolese state until 1970. From 1976 to 1991, the palace became the Palace of the Distinguished Guests of the Togolese Republic, before becoming the residence of the Prime Minister's office in September 1991. Following the socio-political unrest in 1990 and 1991, the palace became a symbol of political protest. The building was significantly deteriorated and then was left in ruins for more than 20 years. Today, the Palais de Lomé houses art exhibitions, cultural events, and educational workshops showcasing Togolese and African heritage. The surrounding 11-hectare park, designed by landscape architect Frédéric Renaud, features over 500 plant species and serves as a botanical garden and recreational space for visitors. The transformation of the palace from a colonial administrative building to a public cultural center symbolizes Togo's commitment to preserving its history while promoting contemporary African art and culture. Located in front of the Atlantic Ocean in a 26-acre park, the Palais de Lomé is the result of the restoration and transformation of the former governor's palace into a center of art and culture open to the public. The Palais de Lomé presents the artistic creation of Africa and its diaspora's culture, visual arts, design, or science. The project was born of the willingness of the President of the Togolese Republic, Mr. Faure Ignassingbe, to sever ties with this past of exclusion and to offer the Togolese public an opportunity for cultural reappropriation, to reinvent it, and to build a future from it. The pillars of the project are to promote culture, including artistic, culinary, scientific, or technical, to preserve and share the richness of an exceptional environmental space in the heart of the capital. Take up the challenge of environmental education, raise awareness of biodiversity, and introduce young generations to the culture. A 26-acre park extends to the seafront. It contains an important biodiversity and constitutes an extraordinary landscape. The layout of the park reflects the landscape diversity of the regions of Togo while preserving the 100-year-old trees. The park is divided into the following sections: the Garden of Sea Plants, featuring plants from Togo's sandy shores; the Grass Savanna, featuring the collection of palm trees and the Cactus Mound; the Ocean Alleyways, with a perspective to the Atlantic, highlighted with colorful flowering; the Enchanted Forest, offering a unique experience to visitors walking under the shade of trees with a profusion of lianas and ferns. A cultivated forest raises awareness on the potential of agroforestry to fight deforestation. The plants were selected in collaboration with the University of Lomé in order to provide a sanctuary for threatened or endangered botanical species in Togo.